Hello everybody, my name is Soham and this is an installation tutorial for Cardify Debate on Windows. First, go to cardifydebate.x10.bz, select Get Started and click Downloads. Here we can download the latest version of Cardify on Windows. I'm going to click this URL to download the installer. And let's just wait for that to finish. Now I can right-click this installer file and click Extract All, and that's going to move the installer into its very own window, right here. Now I can just double-click Cardify Debate to install Cardify. Recently, we've been getting reports that this dialog shows up on some computers, talking about Windows Defender Smart Screen and how it prevented an unrecognized app from starting. However, I can assure you that Cardify is completely virus-free, and to do that, I've pulled up the virus total link here. This link will also be in the description, and this shows that Cardify is completely virus-free and you don't have to worry about it. However, if you do have any further doubts, feel free to visit our user testimonials page, and if you want to, you can even examine our source code, because we're completely open source. Back to the installer. To install Cardify, just click this installer file, and click More Info, and click Run Anyway. I promise nothing bad's gonna happen. Once installation completes successfully, you'll be greeted by a dialog that says Welcome to Cardify. Now we can download the Cardify Chrome extension to make it easier to cut cards right from Google Chrome. I'm going to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Next, I'm going to go back to the installer window and click Continue to sign in. If you don't already have a Cardify account, or if you're new here, then you can just click Sign Up and answer these few questions to get a Cardify account for free. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to sign in and click Continue. Now my Cardify Debate is ready for use. For example, if I want to cut this political article here about Saudi Arabian arms sales, then all I need to do is click this button here that says Open in Cardify. Cardify is going to show up, and I can basically cut whatever news website I want to. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to drop a like below or even subscribe. Thanks for watching!